No list of world's greatest novelists can be complete without the mention of Russian author, Leo Tolstoy. His novels, War and Peace, Anna Karenina, and The Death of Ivan Ilyich, even today are ranked amongst the best in the world and are counted amongst the finest novels ever written. Here are the best inspirational thoughts by Leo Tolstoy which will inspire you in your life. Great things are always simple and modest. Love is life. We lost because we told ourselves we lost. Everything comes in time to him who knows how to wait. The greatest truths are simple. What a strange illusion it is to suppose that beauty is goodness. We always think that they love us because we are good, but we never suspect that good are those who love us. Everything that I understand only because I love. All happy families resemble one another, each unhappy family is unhappy in its own way. Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself. When you love someone, you love the person as they are, and not as you'd like them to be. Music is the shorthand of emotion. There is no greatness where there is no simplicity, goodness and truth. The two most powerful warriors are patience and time. If you want to be happy, be. One of the first conditions of happiness is that the link between man and nature shall not be broken. Truth, like gold, is to be obtained not by its growth, but by washing away from it all that is not gold. Feeling of patriotism is an unnatural, irrational, and harmful feeling, and a cause of a great part of the ills from which mankind is suffering. Some mathematician said, pleasure lies not in discovering truth, but in seeking it. Real art, like the wife of an affectionate husband, needs no ornaments. But counterfeit art, like a prostitute, must always be decked out. Art is the highest means of knowledge. Great works of art are only great because they are accessible and comprehensible to everyone. If a man aspires towards a righteous life, his first act of abstinence is from injury to animals. In order to obtain and hold power, a man must love it. Happiness does not depend on outward things, but on the way we see them. Seize the moments of happiness, love and be loved. That is the only reality in the world, all else is folly. Pure and complete sorrow is as impossible as pure and complete joy. Error can never be corrected by error, and evil cannot be vanquished by evil. Wrong does not cease to be wrong because the majority share in it. Art is not a handicraft, it is the transmission of feeling the artist has experienced. There is only one time that is important now. One can live magnificently in this world if one knows how to work and how to love. The vocation of every man and woman is to serve other people. The idea of beauty is the fundamental idea of everything. A man can live and be healthy without killing animals for food, therefore, if he eats meat, he participates in taking animal life merely for the sake of his appetite. And to act so is immoral. A body is a machine for living. It is organized for that, it is its nature. Let life go on in it unhindered and let it defend itself. True life is lived when tiny changes occur. Without knowing what I am and why I am here, life is impossible. Respect was invented to cover the empty place where love should be. And all people live, not by reason of any care they have for themselves, but by the love for them that is in other people. Patriotism is slavery. Life is everything. Life is God. Everything changes and moves, and that movement is God. And while there is life, there is joy in consciousness of the divine. To love life is to love God. In the best, the friendliest and simplest relations, flattery or praise is necessary, just as grease is necessary to keep wheels turning. Boredom, the desire for desires. In the name of God, stop a moment, cease your work, look around you. Spring is the time of plans and projects. Evil becomes in time worse than that which it is supposed to control. All violence consists in some people forcing others, under threat of suffering or death, to do what they do not want to do. Kings are the slaves of history. Every acquisition that is disproportionate to the labor spent on it is dishonest. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.